Hi guys, let's make the yummiest vanilla and chocolate chip cake. In a bowl, I'm going to add half a cup of butter and then add 1 cup of caster sugar. I'll give that a good mix until it is well combined. Once that's done, I'll add 3 eggs. I will mix until everything is well combined. I'm then going to add half a cup of oil. Give that a good mix until it is well combined. I will then add 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence and 1.5 cups of buttermilk. I'll give that a good mix until everything is well combined. Once that's done, I'm going to add 3 cups of flour and 1 tablespoon of baking powder. I will then mix until everything is well incorporated. For me to get a smooth batter, I'm going to use a whisk to ensure that everything is well incorporated. Once that's done, I'm going to add in my chocolate chips and give that a good mix. And with that, the batter is ready. I'll then pour my batter in a lined baking tin. I will then bake the cake at 180 degrees Celsius for 60 minutes. And with that, our cake is ready. I will let it cool, then start with decorating the cake. Here, I'm just using a whipped cream. For the top decorations, I'm using whipped cream mixed with salted caramel. And with that, our cake is ready. You can then serve it with your favorite drink of choice. Don't forget to try the recipe and let me know how it turns out. Thanks for watching and Happy New Year.